In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register and create a Stripe account. Whether you're an entrepreneur, setting up an online store, or a business looking to streamline your payment processing, Stripe is a powerful option to consider. Let's dive into the registration process so you can start managing your payments with ease. First, head over to stripe.com. Once there, you'll notice either a Start Now or Sign Up button prominently displayed on the home page. Go ahead and click that to begin your registration journey. It all starts with entering a few essential details: your email address, your full name, and a password of your choice. And here's a great benefit: there are no upfront fees to worry about. You can actually start using Stripe immediately in what's known as test mode. This is a safe space where you can explore Stripe's features without any money actually changing hands, which is perfect for getting comfortable with the platform. After you've filled in your initial details, Stripe will send you an email to verify your address. Keep an eye on your inbox for this confirmation, and once it arrives, just click on the link inside to verify your email and activate your account. This step is crucial because it ensures that your account is fully secured and linked to a valid email. Now that you've verified your email and can log into Stripe, the next phase is activating your account for live payments. It's fairly straightforward, but there are a few important pieces of information you'll need to have on hand. First, you'll need to enter some details about your business. Stripe will ask whether you're registering as an individual or a business, along with the legal name of your business. You'll also need to provide your country and either a website or a social media link, helping verify your business's online presence. Apart from your business details, Stripe also requires personal information. This includes your address, date of birth, and a government ID. These details are necessary for Know Your Customer, known as KYC, regulations, and help ensure the security of the payment processing system. Then, there's your bank information. This part is crucial because it allows Stripe to deposit payouts directly into your bank account. So, make sure you have your bank's routing number and your account number ready to be entered. Lastly, and just as importantly, ensure your account's security by setting up two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection by requiring a second form of verification beyond just your password, often involving a code sent to your mobile device. Once you've completed submitting all this information, your account will transition from test mode to live mode. You'll then be fully equipped to begin receiving real transactions. This step-by-step process prepares you to efficiently manage your payments and enhances your business's financial operations. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to setting up your Stripe account. Thanks for tuning in, and happy processing.